Menteri ka pule puthi Rakkam sangmah ne kisngi baar la Kyntu yau MDC ke BJP na Tura Bernard and Marak banting ne adopt ya kato kat ne Skul hapo ka Rongara Siju constituency na kebenta bansna penbha bat bantai thema ya Skul na ke skim MDC. Ulaba namar ba Bernard ulawan ha constituency jong kan long ke jingkmen bha lada ula banting ya kato kat ne teli Skul hapo constituency namar ba kidon da kispa teli Skul ki bamdon ya ke ying Skul.
This is not only my constituency. It's a country of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So there are many schools. So government has done lots of repairing and renovation, construction of school building. New governments can last 5 years, and we are continuing this, and we will leave no stone unturned to complete the process. And however, we are requesting all the 60s MLAs to kindly adopt certain schools to repairing, to construct new buildings to the some limit from their SWP funds. And I would also request my brother brother Bernard, also the MDC of Tura, just to also spend his fund from MDC to construct some schools from his constituency, and also would be happy since he has come to my constituency. I'm happy if he can kindly adopt some school from my area to construct and to donate to adopt some school. But there are many hundreds of, he has not seen many. He has seen only one or two. There are hundreds, thousands of schools which has been left without buildings. We know, but I'm also from my MLA scheme. I've constructed lots in the last 5 years, and I will still doing. I will try my best to complete all this process.